We are our own problems. We are the ones killing ourselves. When I say that, I don't mean that the Fulanis, the Miyetti Allah, the headsmen, Boko Haram, they are the major problem. But when you know that you have enemies and you decide to dine with them freely, then you are the one causing yourself much problem, more mayhem. You're the one causing it. You're the one bringing it upon yourself, upon your people. Look at what's happening. What happened in Imo State? Even a woman has that the DNA is in Capucci and Aro. They were not wasting our one mother, no one in Yakosi. Now, those people who have messed up the judiciary system. They messed up, they feel they can do anything and go scot-free. And nobody holds them accountable. And yeah, for years it's been happening like that. Nobody has held them accountable. And they've been doing whatever they are doing. And you think they're going to get better? No way, they can't get better. Trust me, none of them can. The only thing they can only do is get worse. Do it over and over again. And actually bring it to our faces and nobody, you can't do anything. You understand? Why did I say that we are our own problem? Now this thing is happening. Instead of people to come out to say their mind the way it should be, say what is happening, how this thing happened, it didn't turn out well, they didn't do it well, it shouldn't have been this way, it should have been that way. Some of us, if not most of us, turn it into a political fight. Party this, party that. Some of us turn it to a village war. It's not from Mbise, it's from Olo, this and that. Most of us turn it to a religious fight. Mbaka this, Mbaka that. They turn it to Catholic fight, Pentecostal, whatever. Why are we running away from the truth? What they did, you didn't like it. Why can't you come out and say it? Oh, what these people did was wrong. They shouldn't have done it this way. They did this, that, da. But the only thing we're here to fight is fight ourselves. And this is what the caliphate wants. They want us to be fighting each other. Ndi-igbo, ayanalo. One nigigini ayanalo. Onya wonyeba. Onya wonyeba. Onya wonyeba. Ndikwe na ndikwero. I keep saying it until I am waiting to the key. We ain't going nowhere. Trust me. On wherever I get on wherever until then, until I am waiting to the key. What's this segregation? What's in it okay? Stop segregation. What's in here? Onya wonyeba, onya na-eso ndị a, onya wonye party nka, APC, PDP, Can I gwago n'onwe anyị eziokwu? Ka anyị gwago n'onwe anyị eziokwu. Akwife dị n'otu. That's the only thing that is gonna save us. That's the only thing that is gonna make a difference. Because until we do that, I get what's onwe we'll kill each other before ndị ezi na-eme tiny ife abatazie. We would have killed one another. I mere ha wadere ha izi. Anyị egbukọsigo onwe anyị. Ha bịazi ha were ọnọdụ. Ụdị hikwa na asa na ya. Bikwa na adụdụ onwe n'ọdụdụ.